Hello everyone, it is Dylan Games Tutorials, and we have another video for you. Today I will be showing you how to make a nether portal. So, a portal made of obsidian and lighting it with flint and steel. And yeah, before we begin, just subscribe because I want you to. And did you know that if you subscribe you get a free bagel? And if you try it, I guarantee you it'll work 100%. Yeah, like the video, share this video with your friends, and yep, let's begin. No, the nether is like hell. There's lava everywhere, fire burning, mysterious objects like these things, and also there's a bunch of fortresses where you can get blaze rods. Now, even though the nether can be scary, in order to have a good world and get good things in Minecraft, you must go to the nether. It's a must. You're going to want to find a lava pool, get a bucket of lava, which I already did, then bring it to a water pool, then put the lava in, and it creates obsidian, and you can do that however many times, and you can then grab the obsidian, and yeah. For this you're going to need 10 obsidian, so you're just going to have to do that 10 times, and yeah. Let's skip over to 10 obsidian. Yeah, so we have 10 obsidian. Now we're going to build our portal. So place one down here, and that's the base of our obsidian or nether portal. But then what you're going to do is you may actually want to get a bit of dirt blocks or whatever, just some blocks just to put in the corners, because if you guys didn't know, the corners don't actually matter. Just the obsidian needs to all be like that, so the main circle of the obsidian has to be together. So I'd recommend getting dirt or something for the base. Yeah, then you take that and you build a 3-block pillar high obsidian on the dirt block. So now your portal is like this. Now I should have came prepared for this, but I did not, like usual. So I have dirt blocks, so now I'm gonna wanna build the nether portal, and I'm gonna come up here, place a dirt block here, and so now we have the main base of our obsidian frame, and now all we have to do is connect that, and then we have our nether portal. However, this nether portal isn't complete, because how do you actually get to the nether? I'm literally going through the portal right now. I'm not getting to the nether. Pretty much you need to get a flint and steel to light it. That's the most basic way to light another portal. Pretty much you just come here, click, and the purple particles come out. You can go to the nether. So if we come here, I already have a flint and steel, but pretty much how you craft a flint and steel is if you go to you pretty much just get 1 ingot of iron and 1 flint and just put it together in a crafting. You don't even need a crafting table, just put it together to make flint and steel. It's that easy. Then click, and this is how you go to the nether.